What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on JBL Pulse 4, a waterproof speaker with the Bluetooth connectivity of 5.0, LED light show, multi-speaker connectivity and a PartyBoost function in it too. Now if you have been following me on YouTube, I tend to go extra mile. First to start with showing you all the features offered by the product, following with demonstration. So by the end of the video you will have an idea that is that product for you or not. So let's start with the features. And we will be also confirming that all those features are really working for us as well. Starting with the first one, which is 360-degree light show. Choose your light mode. There is a one for every mood. Light up the entire room with the 360-degree light in a party mode. Well, it comes with the rechargeable battery life, which will give you the listening time of up to 12 hours at full music, I suppose. Well, surely all the parties are covered. Speaker is also equipped with the 360-degree sound technology, which means you can enjoy all immersive sound at a party volume within your own conditions. Well, let's not forget about IPX7 waterproof rating. You can take your Pulse 4 to the beach pool party without worrying about any spills or submerging into the water. That test has also been done and I will show you in more detail too. You also get the option for JBL Connect application, which with the help of that you can connect multiple Bluetooth speaker at the same time and enjoy. And on this JBL Pulse 4 you also get the feature of changing the light colors and suiting in your ambience actually, which is a very good feature and I like the most about this speaker as well. Where your Pulse 4 speaker come with the output power of 40 watts and average playtime of 12 hours. Not bad at all. Now if you'd like to know more detail in terms of dimension of this Bluetooth speaker, how long it's going to take a charge, this to full charge and stuff like that, everything is available in the video description. And within the packaging with this speaker you get one USB-C type charging cable, one quick startup guide and your Bluetooth speaker. Now from the point of build quality, I doubt you're going to find anything wrong with this Bluetooth speaker. Come with the acrylic body on front, a passive radiator in the bottom and a speaker outputting 40 watt on the top, where all the buttons to control this speaker are available on the top, starting with the play and pause volume control. Then on the other side you have a JBL Connect and a LED light on and off feature, so as a mode selection too, power on and off, and in last but not least Bluetooth pairing mode enable and disable button. Down below you have a USB-C type charging cable and a status indicator light when you're charging your Bluetooth speaker and show you the remaining battery life as well, which I actually like the most about this Bluetooth speaker. Now when you power up the Bluetooth speaker, you're going to get the 360-degree light show straight away on it. And now if you'd like to change the mode of that light show, you can press the light button on the top and you're going to see the different mode of operations. If you wanted to turn off these all LEDs, press and hold this LED light button and off it goes. Now it's just a bare Bluetooth speaker for you without LED lights running. Now process of pairing a speaker with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward. Power it up and press and hold this Bluetooth button for a couple of seconds until you see blue LED light around your speaker as well as the flashing Bluetooth indicator. Open up your Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone and make sure your Bluetooth is in discovery mode. And down below in available devices you should be able to locate JBL Charge 4, select on it and click onto the pair button. Once you're successfully paired with the speaker, you're going to hear the audible notification. And voila, we are now connected and good to go. Well, now it's time to play some royalty-free music from YouTube to get an idea that how the bass, treble and the sound quality comes out of this JBL Pulse 4. And I would highly recommend to use earphones for this, which will give you an idea that how loud this speaker is and the quality of it too.
I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free.
Well, I suppose I've shown you enough around this Bluetooth speaker to make up your mind that is this a speaker for you or not. The performance is fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. In terms of the light show around it and the design, awesome. Everything is awesome other than the price. I don't like it at all, guys. That's what I have to be honest about. But the bass and treble which comes out of this JBL Pulse 4 is fantastic actually. Even at higher volumes, I have not seen it deteriorating at all. That would be completely all from my side. If you still have any more questions about this speaker, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.